Say hi to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Alright, so just so you guys know, my channel is about hot shot trucking. Okay, but today we're building a deck. So, this is a Ginger Hotshot Dad project. But basically we're turning this deck into that deck. So this is like Trex type material. It's not Trex though. What's it called?
Fiberon.
And you got it all at Home Depot. I don't know how much it costs. I'll drop a link in the description. I'm just kidding. There's not going to be any link. This is just a fun video. But first step, we already finished this wacky part, which was a lot of fun. So now, without falling through the deck like we did yesterday, we got to demo this, and then we have to run new joists because these 24-inch gaps are too much for the fiber board to go over, so we need to half every single joist with new joists. So we got to run those, and then we're using this brown color for a picture frame that's going around the borders of the whole deck, and then the gray boards are filling in the center. So let's watch it happen. 57, 52, 98. Everything is framed in. Doubled the amount of joists. This thing's solid. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Next step is to do the border, which is these brown boards in this section. So it's gonna go like a box to where that post is. It's gonna be one across, like gray boards, and then more there, and then gray boards all the way down to here. And then there should be a frame there. And then, yeah, I don't know what's going on there. No, go for it. Oh, dude, calm down. You're fine. Nice cone, dude. I think so. Yeah, they're laughing at us on YouTube right now because of that.
What's that?
They're laughing at us on YouTube right now because of that. We finally got everything 99% done up top. You can see this section over here. Finally, because we got it uncovered. You shut up. All that's left is we just got a couple plugs to put in here. Well, actually, we have to take this board out and then put. You see here we have the screws, but we didn't put them here, so we got to take this board out put screws in the end, and then we can put this board back down and plug it so it looks like this board. See, easy to see up close, but from far away, especially on camera, you can't tell at all. And then we gotta put the handrail back in there. And then there's one that goes there too. It's just up against the wall. Hey, don't scratch the deck.